I thank you, Lord, for everything you have blessed me with today. Thank you for my friends and family. Thank you for keeping me safe. Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have learned how to sort objects. Today, we will learn matching of the same kind. There are many objects in this room. Let us see which objects are of the same kind. Look at the clocks. These clocks are of the same kind. Clocks tell us what time it is. Look at these toys. These toys are of the same kind. We play with our toys. Now, look at the stool and the chair. These objects are of the same kind. We use these objects for sitting. Let us now look at the bananas and the pears in the basket. These are of the same kind. We should eat fruits for our good health. Children, look around in your place and name the things which are of the same kind.
Now in page number 80, matching and grouping. Draw lines to match objects of the same kind. In this, we have to recognize the same kind object and match with that object. Okay, now look at this. It's a chair. And look at this side. Here it's a stool. Both are furniture, which is already done. Okay, now look at this one. Which picture is this? Yes, it's a mango. And look at the other side. It's an orange. Both are fruits. So match with mango and fruit. Very nice. Now look at this picture. Umbrella. And here
Holding
umbrella. Okay, let's match with that. Very good, children. The same way do this also. Okay, very nice. Draw lines to match set of the same number. Here we have to count and match the same number of set. First one is already done for you. Let's count the kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 kites.
Now let's see what object set is the same number. Let's count butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Let's count these balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Here 6 balloons are there. So let's match with kites and balloons. Very good, children. Now
look at this one. Colorful butterflies are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many butterflies? 4. And look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. So match with 8. Very good, children.
same as. Children, Look at this basket. Can you tell how many apples are there in the basket? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, there are 4 apples in the basket. Look at this chocolate box. How many chocolates are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, there are 4 chocolates in the chocolate box. We can say that the number of apples is same as the number of chocolates. Now look at these balls. How many balls can you see? Yes, you are right. There are 3 balls. 1, 2 and 3. Look at these teddy bears. Let us count them. 1, 2 and 3. So, there are 3 teddy bears. We can say that the number of balls is same as the number of teddy bears. Look at the page number 81. Is the number of girls same as the number of dolls? Let's count girls. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 girls. And 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dolls. So, number of girls is same as number of dolls. Okay. Now, look at this one. Is the number of squares same as the number of circles? Let's count squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are there. Now let's count circles. 1, 2, 3. 3 circles are there. So, number of square is not same as number of circles. So, tick on no. Okay, children? In page number 83, draw lines to match sets of the same number. Same number of sets we have to match. First one is done for you. Let's count these cats. 1, 2, 3. And in other side 1, 2, 3. 3 dogs. So match with cats and dogs. Okay. Now let's count books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 books. And in other side, let's count the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 crayons. So, let's match book set and crayon set. Okay, very good, children. Count the number of girls. Draw the same number of bindis. We have to count number of girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 girls are there. So we have to draw. How many bindis we have to draw? 4. Yes. Okay. Now here, count the number of boys. Draw the same number of balls. Let's count how many boys are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boys are there. So, how many balls have you to draw? Yes, 5 balls. Okay, children. Bye bye, children. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.